All right, Stillwater, welcome back to this Monday morning edition of Stillwater Live, the exclusive Stillwater forecast for the area. I'm Joshua Weisel here in the Ocala Storm Studios, taking a quick look at the hour-by-hour forecast to start off this new school week across the area. Mostly sunny skies today, and then we're going to be expecting some clear skies for the remainder of the day into the evening and overnight hours today. It's going to be hot, though, so keep in mind, there is going to be a chance for some heat index values between 100 and 110 once again today. So it's going to be hot because we have that humidity, and we're going to see a high today of around 98. So it's going to be hotter today. So if you have any sort of plans to be outdoors, if you're working outdoors or anything like that, remember to stay hydrated and also make sure to take breaks in the shade because it is going to be hot today. Highs are close to 100. Then we have those heat index values that'll make it feel, like I said, between roughly about 100 to 110, so just keep that in mind. Otherwise, for the remainder of the day, just beautiful sunny skies for all the area and no rain chances like we've seen over the past couple of days. So pleasant in that regard, but not in the heat regard across the area. So here's a look at this afternoon, and as you can see, 98 for a high today, fully sunny skies across the area. Some south-southwesterly winds around 24 miles an hour. It'll be slightly gusty, so like I said, if you're planning to be outdoors today, it could be some gusty winds around 24 miles an hour. And then as we make our way into Tuesday afternoon, our high is going to be around 100. So like this graph says, it's going to be hot. So we're fully sunny skies, highs around 100. That could be some dangerous heat. Keep that in mind as we head into Tuesday. We can even see some highs around 100 on Wednesday as well, because that area of high pressure is building into the area, and that's what we call the heat dome, and it's going to continue for the next couple of days, bringing us hot temperatures like this. And then on Tuesday, winds out of the south around 22 miles an hour. So here's a look at the allergy forecast, and it has adjusted. We do have a moderate in the pollen category. For mold, it's a little bit higher, so it's low, so not very low like it's been, and then moderate air quality continues for those pollutants in the atmosphere like ozone and some others more aloft. So if you're sensitive to allergens or poor air quality, just keep in mind we do have a moderate risk for pollen and for overall air quality. And I'm going to show you the overall pollen that is going to be impacting the allergens across the area. So tree pollen, that's out of moderate, and so is grass pollen. Other pollen such as ragweed and other forms of pollen like that, those are relatively low still, but grass and tree pollen continues to be building into the area. So just keep that in mind if you have any sort of allergen problems. These are the two primary allergens across the area, and that should be the case for the next couple of days or so. So that's a quick heads up for anyone with allergy issues. So here's a look at my 10-day forecast, and like I said, for most of the week, it's going to be hot, it's going to be dry, and it's going to be sunny. And that's through at least early next week that we could see almost no rain chances and highs in the 90s. Tuesday and Wednesday, keep in mind, these are going to be hot, so we could see some heat index values even higher than our high of 100 on that day. And it's going to be much different than the rain chances we've seen over the past couple of days until we get into about next week, when by next Tuesday we could see a drop in temperatures to about 90 and even some rain chances. But for now, just expecting clear conditions, hot conditions for the next roughly 8 days or so through at least this weekend and into early next week. So that's a look at the forecast, the 10-day forecast for the school week. Just make sure that you're staying hydrated throughout the week. Make sure that you're also taking breaks in the shade if you're going outdoors, and stay in the AC. It's going to be a hot one. So have a great day in class today, Stillwater. I'm Joshua Weisel here once again in the Ocala Storm Studios. We are Stillwater's Weather Connection.